Let me show you YouTube video quality test on the Redmi 14C. We are gonna start from the Full HD, then I'm gonna switch for 2K, and at the end I'm gonna switch to the 4K. So let's find out. Now as you can see, I'm on the Full HD. So let's play for like 10 or 20 seconds. Let's see how it looks, if there's smooth, if there's some lag. As you can see currently it looks smooth. The screen looks sharp. I can even make it a little bit bigger to fulfill the screen, and from what we can see, this Full HD video also looks really smooth. There's good quality, there's no any lag. Now let's switch into the 2K. There we go. Now we have to wait a little bit until it will apply the changes, but as you can see right now it actually start lagging. I'm gonna also decrease volume a little bit. There we go. So unfortunately on the 2K the Redmi 14C starts lagging. Now let's move for the 4K. Let's see how it looks, if it even go worse than this one. Now just wait until it will be applied. Okay, and as you can see that's the 4K. So right now it looks even worse than the 2K, right? There's bigger lags. So the best, the best option to watch videos on this phone is to definitely switch for Full HD. There we go. And after it will apply, then everything should looks smooth. Okay, it's not looking smooth, so probably we have to just like turn it off and then apply the Full HD one more time. Let's see right now, take a look. Okay, we just go back with the Full HD, and now everything looks really smooth and amazing. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.